Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Data Structures and Algorithm in Python course. In today's lecture, we'll be solving another Leetcode problem on greedy. So let's see what is the problem. This is called maximum unit on a truck. So let's assume you are assigned to put some amount of boxes in one truck and you will be given an 2D array. So like this 2D array. uh, and it is called box types, where box type of I, so they are basically different type of boxes. Okay, so this implies different type of boxes, and in each box type the first element will be number of boxes of this type. Okay, so this means the first element is actually the number of boxes, and the second thing is called number of unit in each boxes. Okay, number of unit in each boxes, and there will be a variable track size will be given. Okay, what you have to tell. So if the track size is 4, then how many maximum unit we can put inside in this truck? So these are the boxes. Okay, these are the boxes. Then you have to tell how many number of units you can put in this truck, right? So let's understand what is it actually telling. So let's say this is our boxes. Okay, so this is type 1, this is type 2, this is type 3. Okay, and you are given a size, maximum size that a trucks can hold. Okay, 4. Okay, then the in this each boxes have how many number of boxes. The first thing is number of boxes, and second thing is each boxes carries how many units. So let's say if I have track size 1, let's assume track size is 1. Okay, then how many boxes I can put in this truck? Only one, right? Only one. Okay, now let's assume I put one boxes from this type. Then how many units can I put in this truck? 3, right? 3, right? Then let's say I put one boxes from this. So maximum unit I can put one, right? So let's say here is two boxes I can put, but as the maximum size is one, then I can put one boxes. So if I put one boxes from here, the maximum unit will be two, right? Maximum unit will be two. Now let's forget about this. If I put one boxes from this, then what will be the maximum size? Maximum unit track can carry will be one. Track carry will be one. Now from this three, what is the maximum? Maximum is this one, right? Maximum this one. So what I'll do, I'll pick the package, I'll pick the box or package that has maximum unit in a box size. Maximum unit in a box, right? Because we need maximum unit. That's why. Okay, let's say for this problem, how we can do that. So how we can fill. First, our priority will be first to pick those boxes whose unit is maximum. So here the unit is maximum, right? This is 3. So first I will try to put those boxes whose unit is maximum. So first what I'll do, I'll pick one boxes because there is only one boxes available here. So what I do, I'll pick one boxes from the first container. Okay, so first, and each boxes how many units it carries? 3, right? So total number of unit will be 3. Okay, so it is basically 3. Okay, then if top size is 4, I pick one boxes, right? So how many remaining boxes I can pick in this truck? 3, right? 3. So okay, 3. Now what will be my priority? So this has gone, this is removed, right? Because this has only one boxes I have picked already. Now for this one, how many trucks are how many boxes are present? Two boxes, right? So why I'm picking this? Because my priority will be to pick what is maximum. So from these two, this is maximum, so I'll pick these boxes. Okay, so there is how many boxes? Two boxes, right? So how many boxes are empty? That I can put three boxes, so I can easily pick two boxes from here, right? So what I'll do, I'll pick two boxes from here, and each box carries two unit. So how many total unit? It will be 4. Okay, now if I pick two boxes from here, how many box will remain? It will be only one. So what I'll do now, I'll pick one boxes from here, so one, and then each box carries one unit, so total will be 1, and it will be 0. Now the track is full. Then how many total units I can carry? 3 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 8. This will be maximum, right? So let's see our answer. So this is, you can see, 8. Now let's pick this example. Let's pick this example. So let's say this example. Okay. So here, these are the boxes. These are the boxes, different boxes, and track size is 10. Okay. Track size is 10. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll pick those container, those boxes whose unit is maximum, right? So from here, what is maximum? What is maximum? Maximum is 10, right? So here maximum is 10. So here maximum is 10. So I'll pick first this box. Okay. So track size is 10. So here how many boxes are present? 5. So I can pick 5 from here, right? 5 from here. Then each box carries 10 unit. Okay. Then total will be 50. Okay. I have now track size was 10. I have picked 5 boxes. So what will be remaining? Remaining will be 5. Now what will be the next priority? So this is gone, right? Now what will be the next priority? Next priority will be this one, because this is the next greater, right? So here the box size was 10. Here box size is 9. So I'll pick this, not this one, not this one, because my first priority is this one. So here how many boxes are present? 3, right? 3, right? And I'll see, so is there any space available in the truck? Yes. So I can put 5 boxes. So what I'll do, so from 3 I can maximum pick 3 boxes. Okay, 3 plus each boxes carries 9 unit. Okay, so 3 into 9, 27, right? 27 unit I can pick in this truck. So how many space will be remaining? So I put 3 boxes, so 2 will be remaining, right? Then what will be my next priority? So this is also gone. Next priority will be this one, right? Because this boxes carries maximum unit between these two. So here how many boxes are available? 4 boxes. And how many track size is available? 2, right? 2, right? So I can't pick 4 unit. I can't pick 4 boxes. So from here I only can pick 2 boxes, because the only space remaining is 2. So what are you gonna do? I'll pick only 2 boxes from here. So 2, and each box carries 7 unit. So total will be 14. And what will be the sum? Sum will be 1, then 91, right? 91. So maximum unit will be 91. Maximum unit is 91. So as you can see, how we can solve this problem. So first thing you can see, I'll pick those boxes. I'll pick those boxes whose whose box size is maximum. In that order I'll pick. In that order I'll pick. That's why what we have to do. That's why the first step will be. That's why the first step will be, I have this array, right? I have this 2D array, but I will sort them. I will sort them by this box size. By this box size. So I'll sort them by, let's say, so element. Let's pick this as one element. Element of one. I'll I'll sort them as element of one, and it will be in decreasing order. First I'll pick the highest, then at last it will be the lowest amount. Okay, so if I sort them, how it will be look like? So first it will be 5, then it will be 3 9, then it will be 4 7, then it will be 2 5, right? This was one step. So first step. As the boxes are sorted, then the next thing will be, I'll be going through each element, right? I'll be going through each box type. Okay, then so what we're gonna do, we'll run a while loop. We'll run a while loop. So you can take for loop also. So I will take while loop, and this loop will run only if this track size. So there is two condition. So if track size is 0, there are no space. So can we put this item in the track? No, right? That's why. So first condition will be, so this track size I'm writing is like that. So this track size should be greater than 0. That is one condition. And what is another condition? What is another condition? So another condition would be, let's say I reach to this element, last element. Okay, then if my pointer I is going out of bound, exceeding the array length, then also I have to stop. So the next condition would be, so if I take a pointer called I, so until this I is less than length of this array, right? So here array is track size, track types, right? So this is my condition. This is my condition. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll check if so what we'll check, we'll go through each element. Okay, we'll go through each element. So let's say this is the first element, 5 10. Okay, let's say this is 5 10. Okay, this is the first element. Then what we gonna check? First we check, is this amount, is this box number is this box number. So box number, let's write like this. If this box number is less than equals to track size, that means let's say initially it was 10, but my box number is 5. So what I can do, I can put all these boxes in this truck, right? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna take a variable unit, right? Then every time we'll increment this unit by this element of 0 means this one, and multiply this with the track size. Okay, multiply this with track size, that will be our element, right? That will be our total unit. So here what we are doing, 5 into 10, right? That we gonna add. And what we'll do, also we have to decrease the track size, so right, so we have to decrease the track size. So write it like ts. So ts will be decrementing by this ele of 0. How many boxes we have picked here, that will decrement from this track size, this is one condition, right? This is one condition. Okay, so this will be if condition, this is one condition. Otherwise, else what we are gonna do, else let's say our track size is 2, but how many boxes are present, that is greater than this, right? That is greater than this, so 4 is present, but we only can pick two boxes. So then what we'll do, we'll increment the unit, whatever track size is remaining, into this ele of 1, right? And we'll make this truck size to 0. So what mean, so let's say two units are available, so I'll pick two boxes from this, and I make this truck size to 0. That means no more boxes I'll pick, so I'll end this while loop, and at last I'll be returning this unit. Okay, returning this unit. Okay, so this is how I'll solve this problem. So this is like a knapsack problem, right? This is like a fractional knapsack problem, typical fractional knapsack problem. So let's see how we can code this. First, what I'm gonna do, we have to sort this box types, right? So box types dot sort, and we'll be sorting this in descending order, right? So then we have to pass an argument, reverse equals to true. Okay, then we have to sort by this box size, right? By this box size. So then key will be lambda, and here if we take the first element, so we'll be sorting by the index 1, right? Okay, then what are you gonna do, we're gonna take a variable. So let's take a variable called units. Initially it will be 0, and take a pointer I will be 0, run a while loop, and this will execute until the struct size is greater than 0, right? And what is the next condition, so I should be less than equals to length of this box types, right? Types. Okay, done. Then what is the next thing, we have to check, so if this box types of I and 0, okay, so now if the number of boxes is less than equals to track size, then what we'll do, we increment this units by box types of I and 0, and we'll multiply this with box size. Okay, so box type of I, and then the index 1. Okay, and then what is the next thing, we'll decrement the track size. So track size minus equals to box types of I and then 0. Okay, this is the first condition. Okay, and else what are you gonna do, else what we'll do, units plus equals to how many track size is available, we only put that. So track size is into box types of I and index 1. Okay, okay, not 1, yeah, and we'll make this truck size to 0, because we don't have any space left in the truck. So truck size becomes 0, and every time we'll increment the I by 1. Okay, and at last we'll be returning this units. So that will be our maximum units that we can put in the truck. So let's try to run this. Yeah, this is accepted. Now let's try to submit this. Yeah, this is submitted. So I hope now you have understood the problem.